Welcome to the Oklahoma Tax Commission's OKTAP Reconciliation Process Walkthrough. In this guide, we will take you through the steps necessary to complete the school reconciliation process for the Parental Choice Tax Credit Program. Before we start, we want to let you know that if your computer is left idle for 15 minutes, your session will time out and you will be required to start over. Also, please be prepared with all necessary items, as information entered cannot be saved for later, and you will be required to restart the process if you do not have those items. You will start at the OKTAP homepage. Enter your username and password, then click Log In. First-time users will be asked to add a phone number or email address for our two-step authentication process. Once finished, click Save. Enter the security code sent to the phone or email address you just provided and click Confirm. First-time users will be asked about their paperless mailing preference. You can choose to opt in or opt out. Then click Next. Review your preference and then click Submit. Confirm your preference by clicking OK to begin the reconciliation process. Click the Submit Reconciliation link, review the instructions, and click Next. You will be prompted to enter the number of instructional days in your spring and fall semesters. An instructional day is defined as a day during which all students in a particular grade and school are required to attend and participate in school activities. Once you have entered the number of instructional days for both semesters, click Next. You will now be directed to the student reconciliation page for your school. The students listed below received a Parental Choice Tax Credit for your school. Please verify the enrollment and provide the number of instructional days for each student. If the student was not fully enrolled in both the spring and fall semesters, select the enrollment status for each semester from the drop-down menu. For each semester, you'll need to select whether the student was enrolled full, partial, or none. If you select full, the system will automatically enter the full number of instructional days that you provided on the previous screen. If you select partial, you will be required to manually enter the number of instructional days the student was enrolled for that semester. If you select none, the system will automatically enter 0 for the number of instructional days for that semester. For students who are fully enrolled in both the spring and fall semesters, you can click the full enrollment checkbox to have the system automatically fill in that information for the students. If you selected partial, you would need to edit the number of instructional days to reflect the correct number for each semester. After reviewing, if you find that information is not accurate, you can click the previous button to return to the section with the incorrect information and edit it. Then, make your correction and click the Next button to proceed back to the summary page. Once you have verified that all information is correct, click Next again to provide your electronic signature. Sign by entering your first and last name, then click the button below to confirm your electronic signature. Finally, click Submit to submit your reconciliation. Save and print your confirmation information, then click OK to close. Thank you for watching the Oklahoma Tax Commission's Parental Choice Tax Credit Reconciliation Process Walkthrough.